All right, let's get into it. You're driving home at night, headlights on, and you notice something's off. The road ahead just looks dim, hazy, like you're driving through a light fog even though the sky's clear. You get home, you park in the driveway, and you finally see it under the porch light. Your headlights are cloudy, yellowed, foggy, like someone smeared Vaseline all over them. And that's exactly the irony of what we're doing today. Because instead of fighting that cloudiness, we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna rub actual Vaseline on those foggy headlights and see what happens. Sounds backwards, right? Stick with me because this 1-minute trick has blown up all over TikTok and YouTube for a reason. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly why it works, and when it absolutely will not save you. So let's talk about why your headlights get cloudy in the first place, because that actually matters here. Most headlight lenses these days aren't glass. They're polycarbonate plastic. It's lighter, it's more impact resistant, and it lets manufacturers make those cool, aggressive headlight shapes you see on new trucks and SUVs. But polycarbonate has one big weakness. UV rays absolutely destroy it over time. That constant sun exposure breaks down the clear protective coating on top of the plastic, and once that coating's gone, the plastic underneath starts oxidizing. That's your cloudy, yellow, hazy look. It's not dirt, it's not something you can just wipe off with a paper towel and glass cleaner, it's actual damage to the surface. And here's the part nobody tells you. Cloudy headlights aren't just an eyesore. They can cut your nighttime visibility by a significant margin. That's less light hitting the road, less time to react to a deer, a pothole, a kid chasing a ball. It's a safety issue, dressed up as a cosmetic one. Okay, so where does Vaseline come in? Vaseline is petroleum jelly, and petroleum jelly is basically a clear, oily, semi-solid substance that fills in tiny surface imperfections. Think about those oxidized headlights up close. The surface isn't smooth anymore. It's microscopically rough and pitted, kinda like sandpaper. That roughness is what scatters light instead of letting it pass through clean, and that scattering is what creates that foggy, hazy look. When you rub Vaseline into that surface, it fills those micro scratches and pits, and for a little while, it makes the surface act smooth again. Light passes through more evenly, and boom, your headlights look clearer almost instantly. So let's actually do it. Grab a plain jar of Vaseline, nothing fancy, the basic petroleum jelly you probably already have in your bathroom cabinet. Before you touch the headlights though, give them a quick wash. Soap, water, microfiber towel. Just knock off the dust, bugs, and road grime, because you don't want to trap that dirt underneath the Vaseline layer. Once they're dry, take a small amount of Vaseline, about a dime-sized dollop, and rub it directly onto the headlight lens using a clean microfiber cloth or even just your fingers. Work it in with small circular motions, kind of like you're waxing a car, and really get it into those cloudy areas. Now here's a step people skip, and it makes a huge difference. Let it sit. Give it a good 5 to 10 minutes to really soak into those microscopic imperfections. While you're waiting, go ahead and check your other headlight for comparison because trust me, the difference is about to be obvious. After it sits, take a clean section of your microfiber towel and buff off the excess. Don't scrub hard, just gentle. Even wipes until the surface looks clear and the excess film is gone. And that's it. 1 minute of actual work, a few minutes of wait time, and you step back and look at your headlight. And it looks noticeably clearer, almost like new. That's the moment that makes this trend go viral every single time. That instant transformation is honestly satisfying to watch. But, and this is the part I need you to actually hear, this is a temporary fix. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you Vaseline permanently restores your headlights, because that would be lying to you, and that's not what this channel's about. What's actually happening is the petroleum jelly is masking the damage, not repairing it. It's filling in those pits temporarily, but it doesn't rebuild the surface or add back UV protection. Depending on your climate, how much sun exposure your car gets, and how bad the oxidation already is, That clarity might last anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks before the haze starts creeping back. So who is this actually good for? Honestly, it's a fantastic trick if you've got a used car you're about to sell or trade in, and you want your headlights looking sharp for photos or a test drive. It's great if you've got an inspection coming up, or you're heading to a car show, or you just want a quick confidence boost before a road trip without spending real money. It is not a long-term solution if your headlights are severely oxidized, cracked, or if you actually care about maximizing your nighttime visibility for the long haul. For that, you're looking at a proper headlight restoration kit, wet sanding, polishing compound, and a UV protective sealant. That's the real fix, the one that can genuinely last a year or more if you do it right. Now, quick word of caution before you try this yourself: don't overdo the Vaseline, because too much can actually attract more dust and grime while you're driving, and you'll end up with a sticky, dirty mess instead of a clean fix. A thin, even layer is all you need. And also, this works on the plastic lens, not on foggy glass headlights, which some older classic cars still have. Different material, different problem, different solution, so keep that in mind before you go raiding your medicine cabinet. At the end of the day, this is one of those wild little tricks that actually has real science behind it. And that's exactly the kind of stuff we love digging into here on Infinite Garage. Cheap, simple hacks that genuinely work, explained the right way so you know exactly what you're getting into. If this helped you out, do me a favor and smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Drop a comment and let me know if you're going to try this on your ride, or if you've already tried it. I want to hear how long the clarity actually lasted for you. And if you're serious about giving your headlights a real long-term fix, go check out our full headlight restoration video linked right here, where I walk you through the permanent method step by step. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Stay tuned, keep that garage grinding, and I'll see you in the next one.